The weather now and that possible severe weather we're tracking. We're talking strong storms and showers.
Yeah, our weather team is here tracking it all. Let's kick things off with Tim Pandages. Hey, Tim.
Hey guys, so right now there's no warnings and no watches up for our area, but to the north and west there is a tornado watch that's in effect until 11 o'clock just outside of our area. We've had our fair share of showers and storms work through in just the last couple of hours or so, and this last batch is split into two. We've got one section here over Sheiks along 90, Barrett, Liberty. It is a wet evening commute for you there. Some thunder and lightning thrown in the mix there as well. And then we drop south, kind of a more elongated cell here with some extremely heavy rainfall through Texas City, San Leon, Jamaica Beach, down to Redfish Cove. As you're headed south towards Galveston along I-45, you're going to run into a slow commute there with the heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. Now, we spent the day locked in with this cloud cover that has prevented us from really heating things up. We weren't able to turn the burner on in the stove for our pot of water to start to boil. Now, we're starting to see the skies clear on out off to the west. That's already happened. In fact, it's happened over several hours ago to the west, and that cap has broken here along the I-35 corridor. And David, we've been talking a lot about this capping inversion. What exactly is that? Can we expect it to break here this evening?
So much depends on the cap,
Yeah.
Tim. Here's how this plays out. We get a layer of warm air, about 3,000 feet up. That's the cap. What does it do? It literally will stop clouds from rising. They bump into it like a ceiling. You need clouds to rise rapidly to make a thunderstorm. So with a cap in place here, it's kept the thunderstorms from becoming severe today or happening at all. Only a few scattered thunderstorms out there. That cap can be broken in one particular way, which is what we saw happen in central Texas today. That's what happens if it gets hot. So if there's more daytime heating, if there were more sunshine for us today, we could have had enough energy to then break the cap. And when that happens, you get violent, explosive development, and that's when you can get severe thunderstorms. And that is exactly what we are seeing happen in central Texas, just to the west of Waco. Those are all severe thunderstorm warnings. Although we've got rain and a couple of thunderstorms here, we have not been able to violently break the cap. And because of that, our storm threat at least has been degraded just a little bit. Now, that being said, Tim, we still have a chance for rain and maybe even a strong thunderstorm tonight. We're going to have to watch it.
That's right. And as those skies are clearing out in our western zones, David, brand new run of our computer models just came in. Watch that line along the I-35 corridor push east. Around 6:30, just ahead of sunset, we've got some stronger cells here. And the most recent run of the models plays into the fact that we could get some daytime heating in here, sufficient enough to keep these storms alive, that we could see a cell move through Palacios over to Matagorda and Brazoria, and one scoop by to our north. So certainly something to watch here over the next couple of hours. Now, our storm threat overall, we're going to watch 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. for that window for severe storms. Tomorrow we'll have another round come on through with a cold front, likely very narrow and not severe looking as it looks right now. There's your 7-day forecast. The front that comes through tomorrow lifts back north on Friday as a warm front, and that unleashes a hot and humid Easter weekend. Easter Sunday up to around 90 degrees. Guys?
All right, Tim, thank you.